Okay, students, today let us discuss about what are the different hormones that are helpful to secrete the digestive enzymes by the glands. They influence these digestive glands to release those enzymes that are secreted by the digestive glands. So, now coming to the gastrin hormone, which will be secreted by the mucosa of the stomach. The gastric glands present in the mucosa of the stomach secrete this hormone, and it influences the target organ is stomach only. First of all, hormones means it will be secreted by the ductless glands, endocrine glands, ductless glands, which secrete these chemical substances in very minute amounts. They will be acting upon the target tissue. So here stomach releases the gastrin, and the gastrin influences the gastric glands to secrete and release of gastric juice with enzymes. So that is about the gastrin hormone. Here the mucosa which are present in the gastric gastric mucosa, the glands present in the gastric mucosa, they secrete this hormone. Now coming to the enterogastrone, the next hormone will be secreted by in the duodenum, and the target tissue is target organ is stomach. So whenever the food enters into the duodenum, there is no need of secretion of gastric juice. So that is inhibited by the secretion of gastric juice will be inhibited by the secretion of by the action of the enterogastrone. Now coming to the third hormone, that is secretin, which is secreted by the duodenum, and the target organs are stomach, liver, pancreas. So secretin also decreases the secretion of the secretion of gastric juice, that is gastric secretion, but it increases the bile secretion. It increases the bile, secretin increases the bile secretion, and also increases to release the bicarbonates in pancreatic juice. The bicarbonates in pancreatic juice will be stimulated to be released by the secretin that is secreted by the duodenum. Now coming to the fourth hormone, cholecystokinin or pancreogynin. It is secreted in the small intestine, and the target organs are gallbladder and pancreas. Gallbladder contracts and releases bile due to the influence of the cholecystokinin. So cholecystokinin stimulates gallbladder to release bile, and it also stimulates pancreas to release pancreatic juice with enzymes. So both these functions are taken or are stimulated by the cholecystokinin. Okay, cystic duct, that means gallbladder arising, the duct arising from the gallbladder. Now coming to the fifth hormone, enterocrinin, which is secreted in the small intestine, and the target organ is also small intestine. It stimulates crypts of Leber-Kuhn, that means the intestinal glands, to release the intestinal juice with enzymes. So that is influenced by the enterocrinin secreted by the intestine, small intestine, and the target organ is also small intestine. Now coming to the somatostatin, another hormone. It is secreted by the pancreas. The delta cells of the pancreas will secrete somatostatin, and also the gastric and intestinal glands also secrete somatostatin. The somatostatin secreted by the delta cells of the pancreas will influence the pancreas to suppress the release of the hormone glucagon from the pancreas, and the somatostatin, which is secreted by the gastric and intestinal glands, that will be influencing gastrointestinal tract, that is the target organ. It suppresses the release of the hormones from the gastrointestinal tract, that means the mucosa of the intestine as well as stomach, where the digestion of food is completed. Then there is no need of hormones, so that should be suppressed, that should be reducing, there should be stoppage of the secretion of the digestive juices. So this is about the hormones that are helpful in secreting the digestive juices with enzymes. Thank you.